Hi! Welcome back to my channel. My name's Dyana, and on today's episode of Cooking with Misscuan, we're gonna be cooking arroz con pollo on the Instant Pot. Now, this recipe is a really authentic Cuban recipe. It's really delicious, and you'll have it done in no time because you're gonna be doing it on the Instant Pot. For the ingredients for this arroz con pollo, you're going to need drumsticks. In this particular case, we have 5 drumsticks. This food is gonna be made for a total of about 4 people. So 5 drumsticks will be good. Another ingredient that you're gonna need is beer. Yes, beer. You're gonna need this entire 7 fluid ounce beer. So this is actually a coronita. How cute, right? Because it's a petite little coronita. This is the perfect beer for this. You can go with any brand of your liking. I would go with the coronita though. Another ingredient is sazon Goya. Goya is a key element because it gives the food the color and the flavor that it needs. Salt and pepper. 1 can of tomato sauce. Another ingredient you need is fancy pimientos. 1 cup of vino seco. This is our friend vino seco. For this particular portion, since we're doing this for 4 people or so, you're going to be needing 3 cups of rice. You also need sazon completa, so complete seasoning, some oil, and chicken broth. 1 cup of chicken broth, some parsley, cumin, and paprika. And that is basically it. Those are your ingredients for this meal. So step 1 of what you want to do is, apart from chopping all of your vegetables how I have them here and putting everything aside so it could be easy for you to cook, you want to go ahead and you want to season your drumsticks. So the first step is seasoning the drumsticks. So on to the cooking of this dish. The very first step after you season your pollo and all of your vegetables are cut and everything's in line for you to start putting it into the Instant Pot, what you want to do now is you want to press saute on your Instant Pot. Once you notice that your pot is getting hot, you are going to start putting in your sazones. So the first sazon to put in is the red peppers. You can start hearing it sizzle. Then you can put in your green peppers. Then you can put in your onions. You can also put in your garlic. So then you want to stir your sazones. What you want to do is get your drumsticks and you want to seal your drumsticks. Leaving them in there with your sazones. I would blend everything right away. Like, you want to pay attention to when your drumsticks seal, so you want to constantly turn them around. And what sealing means, it basically just means until the meat turns white. That's what sealing the meat means. Or in Spanish, tiene que sellar el pollo. And once it's sealed, you're then going to start putting in the other ingredients. You do not want to fully cook this chicken. You just want to seal that chicken, make sure it's no longer pink. Okay, so it's about time to start putting in the other ingredients. I'm going to start with the vino seco. I'm then going to put the tomato sauce. I'm going to then put the cumin and the paprika. I'm then going to put in the corona or the coronita, you want to put in the chicken broth. And what you want to start doing now is you want to start moving this around. Once you put that in, I'm going to now put your sazon Goya. And now I'm going to put the 3 cups of rice. Now, you're gonna put in your peas, and you're also going to put in your basil leaves. You're just going to continue to stir in here. And last, but certainly not least, you're going to be putting in your fancy pimientos. So your Instant Pot is still on saute, and this is how it should look like for now. So what you're going to do here is you're going to take it off saute, you're going to turn it off, and then you're going to be putting the lid on. And the vent needs to say seal. Do you see that? Sealing. Your vent needs to say sealing so it can get pressure. You're gonna turn off saute. And then the next step you wanna do is hit rice. And you're pretty much done. So thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you learned how to make arroz con pollo on the Instant Pot. If you like this video, please hit that like button, and if you want to see more videos like this, please hit that subscribe button. Special shout out to Slacks and Polo. Thank you for subscribing, Slacks and Polo. Bye!